I've gotten back a lot. I never thought that I would be who I am today. I really didn't. I didn't. I thought I was stupid. I thought I was a dumb whore. I thought my life would amount to nothing. Even when I got out of treatment, I just thought I was gonna become like a massage therapist, which there's nothing wrong with that. But I know now that I have so much more potential. And right now, I'm going to UMass Dartmouth. I'm on an academic scholarship. I have a 4.0, which is very hard to maintain, but it's very worth it. It gives me a lot of joy to be able to see my success. And I work very, very hard every day to maintain that 4.0. And yeah, I'm a psychology major. I'm a philosophy minor. I'm currently working in the field. I work full time. I go to school full time. I work at Fellowship Health Resources, so I work with a mentally ill population at a halfway house. Um, Over the summer, I'm going to start working with women who are survivors of abuse, and that's something very near and dear to my heart. I want to be able to give back to that population once I have the relevant work experience. But my future, I really want to be a lawyer, and I'm going to be a lawyer. I'm going to be a medical malpractice lawyer or a divorce attorney. And yeah, I want so much more with my life than I ever thought possible.